Alright, welcome. We got the 2013 Tristar mini helmet break here, sealed all the way around. Get you a time on this, 8:43, Monday, January 27th. Got your guys' name in the randomizer ready to go. We got Sport once, Sand once, Gamber once, Scamp once, Rob Dog once, 8-Ball once, and RCC twice. So we're going to randomize these 5 times to get started. After one we got Rob on top, 2 Sports on top, 3 Sports on top, 4 Sand on top, and 5th and final time, Gamber on top. There's your guys' names in there. Now we'll go back to determine your divisions. Here we are, we got AFC East all the way through NFC West on this. 5 times on this one also. NFC East on top. AFC East on top after 2. 3 NFC East. 4 NFC East, and 5th and final time, AFC East on top. So here are your guys' divisions. Gamber, AFC East, Rob, AFC West, Sand, NFC North, RCC, AFC South, Sports, NFC East, Scamp, NFC South, RCC, NFC West, and 8-Ball, AFC North. Back to our box here, still sealed, and let's get this break underway. 8:44. And your guys' divisions will be in the description of YouTube, so you can see who get this, but also show who got it after we break it open. So here we go. 1 autographed mini helmet in this box. And we're going to the Dallas. We had a Dallas Cowboy last break, and it looks like we have Dallas Cowboys again. So here we go. Dallas Cowboy. There it is. Let's look at who this is. We got number 84 there. Let's look at the bottom. We can get a better idea of who we got here. Get it out. There it is. We got Jay Novacek. Jay Novacek there. So we got member of 1992, 93, 94 Cowboy Super Bowl championship team, tight end, 2008 College Hall of Fame. So there we are, going to the Dallas Cowboys, NFC East. NFC East is going to Sports. There you are, number 6 down. We got Sports, NFC East. So congratulations, Sports B. This autograph helmet is coming your way. So thank you all for joining. I'll get this uploaded soon. Thanks.